Zaman, and joining me today.
Hi, I'm Hidayah.
So today we are going to do a
Q&A session.
So what you have learned in this subject?
Okay, actually I've learned a lot in this subject. I learned on how we can find the data, okay, how we can make a statistical analysis to analyze the business performance. What about you?
Okay, so for me, I learned a lot about Excel functions and new formulas that I've never known exist. And also, I learned about how we utilize the data that we collected.
Okay, so what are the takeaway?
Okay, so I do wonder like how researchers find their specific data that they wanted when they collected a big amount of data. So now I know they use the lookup function.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay, as for me, I think the pivot table is one of the learning function that I can remember.
Okay.
Since I think the pivot table helps me a lot to summarize the large set of data and easy for me to view the data. Okay.
I see. Okay, so what are the skills acquired for this course?
A problem solving skills,
Of
or
course.
maybe a visualizer, since we can provide the future insights for the business, right?
Yes, true. We need to at least have a basic skill of Excel, to use Excel, because Excel is a bit sensitive. Like you have to use a bracket, like comma, something, so that you can calculate.
Some kinds of command.
So you can calculate automatically.
True. Okay. So, will you be using the skills in the future?
Yeah, of course. Especially when you need to work in a big amount of data. So you need to be efficient, fast, as well as accurate.
Okay.
So this subject really helps me. So how about you?
Yes, I agree with that. Of course, we will use the skill in the future, right? Because we will be part of the research team. Maybe.
Okay. What are the benefits that acquired from this course?
Oh, the benefits. For me, I think I get to gain new skills. Okay, as I'm able to analyze the data and provide such an important information towards my future clients.
Oh, wow. Futuristic. Yeah. For me, I used to know nothing about Excel, and I always prefer manually, like calculate manually. But it's so time consuming. So now everything I want to do in Excel, use all the formulas. So
Very
it can
fun.
be very fast.
And furious.
Yeah.
How do you find working in a team? Liyana?
So it's actually very fun. So we discuss a lot about an independent variance or data, and then we try and errors and produce a lot of models, and we choose the best among the best.
Oh, I agree with that too. Actually, it's a lot of fun. Yet, it's so stressful, okay?
Yeah.
But again, working in a team really helps us to provide a great work.
True.
Okay, and of course, I can make it alone, babe.
See, big. How was the information gathered?
Time consuming.
1 hour later. A few moments later.
True, absolutely.
Because for me, it makes me to face the laptop like the whole day to gather the information.
True. It's quite challenging and fascinating at the same time.
How do you like the best about the learning?
Using the formula and the functions, I feel like a pro.
Yeah, true.
Pro.
I feel like I'm such a real research analyst.
What difficulty you face in the learning?
I think a little challenges for me. Okay, when this course we need to learn through online class, and I believe it would be awesome for us if we get to learn this course face-to-face session in a face-to-face session.
True. So for me, I don't really prefer work something that need precisions, because I'm careless and also I'm easily stressed over little things. So now it worth all the struggles.
Understood. Okay, so any suggestion for improvement for the learning?
Okay, I think the material given by our madam, Madam Liyana, is complete. Like the videos, the classes, the notes, it really helps me a lot because we can always rewatch again and again. And I'm someone who always wanted an explanation in everything. So Madam gave all the answer that I wanted.
Okay. As for me, I don't think this course has lack for something. Because our lecturers, yes, our madam has provided a lot for us, and yeah, our madam is really good, really kind, and I really appreciate that. So it doesn't seem hard to score this course.
Oh. Okay.
Confident.
Confident. So that's all for me. So thank you.
That's all from us. Bye.